Good morning. Let's look at minute 20. Circle the proper nouns in the sentence and then write them correctly on the lines. I'm going to show you what should be capitalized for your proper nouns, and then when I check your paper, I'm going to make sure that you have written them out completely and that all of your capital letters are done and that you end your sentence with a period. So, Jerry should be capitalized. Made a pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving should be capitalized. Dinner with a period at the end. Watching should be capitalized. The sun set over Stone Mountain. Stone Mountain is a specific mountain in Georgia. Mrs. Hartung has actually been to the top of the mountain. It was very cool. Was exciting. Marcia, always M for Marcia. It's her name. Wakes up late on Monday, specific day, mornings. We took our dog Peaches. The dog's name is Peaches. It gets a capital letter. Of course, the beginning of your sentence gets a capital letter. To see Dr. Sam. Doctor and Sam, specific person. My favorite story, of course, the M to start your sentence is the, capitalize, 3, capitalize, little, capitalize, and pigs, capitalize. And we have the name of the story. All of them are capitalized except for of an A. We ate dinner at Rick's Steakhouse. Rick's, capital R. Steakhouse is the name of the steakhouse. We are reading Stuart Little. Stuart Little is the name of the book, so it gets capitalized. By E.B., that is his name, so it gets capitalized. And his last name is White, so that gets capitalized in class. Janice, her name, and her family took a trip to Mount Rushmore. Mount is capitalized. Rushmore is capitalized. These are the 4 faces in the mountain of the presidents. 4 faces of the presidents in the mountain. January gets capitalized. Is one of the coldest months in Chicago. Chicago is the place and it gets capitalized. They went on a trip to Denver, Colorado. Denver is the city. Colorado is the state. Again, make sure that you have written out all the sentences because that is what I will be checking. And then I'll be checking to make sure that all of these points are capitalized within your sentence that you wrote. On the math side, 91 minus 6. Can't take 1 from 6, so we're going to go ahead and take this to an 8, this to 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, and bring down the 8. I know 6 times 8 is 48, so I put 48 there, and when I subtract it, there is 0 left. Again, very important that you know your math facts. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I know 7 times 5 is 35. Nothing left over. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Bring down my 8. Which number is the divisor? I'm dividing by 3 divided by 15. 354 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So my 3 goes up here, my 2 goes down here. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. Because I add, again, if you don't know how to do this, you come over here to the side and you add 354 6 times. And you add it all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And you get the same answer. Round to the nearest hundred, 621. Is it closer to 700 or is it closer to 600? Well, the 2 tells us it's closer to 600. With hundreds, I'm going to have 2 zeros at the end. 548. Is it closer to 600 or is it closer to 500? And the 4 tells us it's closer to 500. 584, 600 or 500. And the 8 tells us it's closer to 600. Show your teacher, put your paper in your cubby, and go to Lexia Core 5.